Good morning, guys. What you guys are doing? A jellyfish. Oh wow. Can I see the picture of jellyfish? Okay, I am coming to you one by one. Wow, J for jellyfish. You are using a letter for making a jellyfish. Well done. Wow, who made this picture? Your surname? Very good. Do you like your art, teacher? Very good. I am coming one by one to you. Well done. Great job. Super. Super. Well done. Okay, you guys are enjoying this unit? Okay, continue and Allah.